Can you see me? No? Customers won't see your e-commerce store either if you don't optimize it for Google Core Web Vitals. If you haven't heard about the most recent Google update before, it's time to take notice of it. Keep watching this video to avoid significant drops in Google SERPs. You will learn what Core Web Vitals mean and how to optimize them to turn them into your competitive advantage, and why your customers will thank you for being compliant. Watch the video till the end to learn how you can meet all Core Web Vitals criteria and achieve the same results as we delivered for our clients in under 3 business days. Hi, this is Vladimir, ready to talk about the future changes in Google search ranking signals. The news about Core Web Vitals rocked the e-commerce industry. Starting May 2021, Google is going to add a new signal to the algorithms, the Core Web Vitals. Like there are not enough of them already, right? Anyway, Core Web Vitals will influence all websites and e-commerce businesses in particular that wish to appear in Google SERPs. Let's find out what is there and is so much in fuss around the incoming up changes. Google is changing the rules of the game once again. The times when you could stuff your websites with the keywords and backlinks for great search ranking are far gone. The search engine will pay more attention to another website factor, web performance. The tech giant made industry research to identify what users hold dearest when they're surfing the internet. Turns out receiving the high quality and relevant content is not enough. Users are looking for speed and a great online experience. That's why Google is updating its search engine algorithms with a set of new measurements to force website owners to pay explicit attention to them. Google is going to evaluate sites on 3 additional metrics: loading, interactivity, and visual stability. Thanks to these metrics, the search engine better understands what experience users get when they land on the web page. Core Web Vitals are based on 3 pillars: largest contentful paint, first import delay, cumulative layout shift. You're probably wondering what the heck they mean. Keep watching this video to explore each metric aside out, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and learn more about how to improve your Magento store performance. LCP defines the time it takes for the largest piece of content to appear on the screen. For example, if you visit a product page, it usually contains a few elements. In most cases, images are the heaviest of all. Thus, LCP measures the time it takes for the image to fully load. LCP focuses on what's really important for the end users when it comes to the page speed: being able to see and interact with the website while it's loading. The LCP of your website should aim for 2.5 seconds or lower. If it gets longer to load, Google will penalize your website by moving it down in search results. So, what can you do? Don't panic! Optimization of images service, JavaScript, CSS, and client-side rendering should do the trick and help you keep the LCP metric within the range. The second metric, the first input delay, measures all user interactions that happen when your website is still loading. In other words, the metric takes into account the time it takes for a website to respond to any user interaction. For example, you enter an e-commerce website, click a button, and nothing happens. It happens because the front end of the website is already loaded, while the browser is still downloading the JavaScript and other scripts, the background. By the time the website becomes responsive, customers might be already typing the link of your competitor. Luckily, there is a solution to this problem. Improving FID means reducing unused JavaScript. Removing JavaScript often means sacrificing some features. Is there some functionality that doesn't bring you any value? Well, eliminate it without any second thought. Better yet, entrust the task into the hands of professionals, not unintentionally finish off your website. If you fail to meet this metric, your website guaranteed to make customers frustrated. CLS measures any layout shifts off your website while it's loading. Take an online shoe store for example. You enter the website, spot a pair of sneakers and click on them. But the layout shifts and instead of hitting the desired pair of sneakers, you land on the winter boots page or worse, on an ID. Probably a situation or two comes to your mind. Frustrating, right? The thing is that not all elements are loading on the page at the same time. One or two or few elements can load later, pushing already loaded ones sideways and creating layout shifts. To meet the 0.1 score recommended by Google, you need to ensure that 75% of your website loads without shifts both on mobile and desktop. So what can you do? Specifying on-page elements dimensions through CSS and HTML reserve their space during the load times. As a result, no shifts happen. You can learn details about optimizing your website for Core Web Vitals in our article. You can find the link below. Google Core Web Vital is no joke. Failing meet the requirement will harm search results, ranking conversions and sales. Do you want to move from this result to this one under 3 business days? We can help you to do that. You will get a 30% increase in Core Web Vital without hundreds of development hours and thousands of dollars invested. After a 3-day optimization, your store will show great result in page speed insights, GTmetrix, web dev and other search and crawling platforms. It will lead to keeping and even boosting your SEO results. Check out all Core Web Vitals optimization packages and choose the best for your business. Find the link below. Are the changes in Google Core Web Vitals for better or for worse? What do you think? Don't be shy and share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for new videos.